To hard reset Google Pixel 8a, get your phone ready and I'll begin the key combination in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down for around 10 seconds or until I release the buttons. So I'll give it a couple more seconds here. The screen must be fully black. And now release power and volume up. Now press and hold power and volume down and keep these two held down until we see fast boot mode. Rewind the video and press the buttons for the exact same duration as I do if you're struggling. Release both buttons when we see the fast boot mode. Now click volume up and keep on clicking until you see recovery mode. Then click the power button to enter recovery mode. It will say no command, so the command we need to enter is while holding the power button, click release volume up. Then the touchscreen doesn't work, so click volume down and keep on clicking until you see wipe data, then click the power button. Now click volume down, and after you click the power button to factory reset, it will bring you to this screen, then just click power button to reboot the system.